Welcome back to the part 2 of our product animation series. Today we'll continue to scene 5 through 10 and also go over the output setting you will need for clean professional quality render. Let's dive in and build the second half of this animation. If you enjoy Blender tutorial on modeling, lighting, animation, and product visualization, you are in the right place. Now you can become a channel member and unlock exclusive perks like early access to all my tutorial video. And the best part, at the end of each month, you will get a complete blend file pack containing all the project file from every tutorial released that month. Just hit the join button below to become a member and support this channel to grow. Okay, that's all. Let's start the tutorial. Then for the scene 5, scene 3, right click duplicate collection. Let's move this down and name this one scene 5. Enable this camera. Then we're going to delete here. This one, click here, Ctrl P object keep transform. In this case, I'm going to select these two objects, just press slash, mirror of this object, apply, object data property, shape key, click here, then add another one, tap to the edit mode, select one of these, press L, H to hide. Then select all of these vertices, press Shift S, cursor to selected, press 3 change it to the face mode, click like this, all of this, go to the front view, press O enable the professional editing, press R, rotate like this. Back to the object mode, when we increase the value, this will happen. Then let's add another shape key, like this, tap to the edit mode, press Alt H, select one of these, press L, H to hide. Then click like this again, Shift S, cursor to selected, press 3 changes to the face mode, select this face, all of this, front view again, then press R, rotate, just like this. Back to the object mode, let's see. Okay, let me do this one, go to the first frame, add the value, press I, insert keyframe, go to frame 3, put it one here, press I, and just duplicate this one, put it here. A to select everything, Shift D duplicate it, put here, Shift D again, put here. We have this result, but it's too fast, I guess. Let's scale this up. Okay. Then I'm going to 12 frame here, change the shape key to value 1, insert keyframe, move to the 50, value, insert keyframe, over here, I'm going to disable the key 1, press A, home, then Shift D, duplicate this X, just put it here like this, Shift D again, duplicate X location, just like this. Let me move over here. Then this one, Shift D, X, put it here. Okay, we have this result. Then press slash, then select this Bezier circle, S to scale it up, GZ, put it down here. At the timeline here, press A to select everything, X, delete the keyframe, change pivot point to median point, rotate, Shift A, empty, add a cube, just put it here, then select your camera, object constraint, track to, click this eyedrop and click your empty here. Then your Bezier circle, GZ, put it down, so we'll have this view, R to rotate like this, S to scale this up. Let me select the Bezier circle, then the empty cube, then put it here. R to rotate like this at the first frame, press N, Z rotation, right click, insert single keyframe, go to the last frame, put it somewhere here, right click, insert single keyframe. Then at the graph editor, press home, just rotate it like usual like this. Let's adjust here. Okay, let me adjust the position. Okay, render preview. Let's adjust the light here. Then Shift A mesh, let's try to add a plane down here. S to scale it up. GZ put it here. Scale this up again. This light, let's just parent with this background. Ctrl P, object transform. And this background, select the empty here. Ctrl P, object transform. Let's adjust the light. Let's try to increase the power by 50. R twice. Okay, that's all for the scene 5. Let's move this empty and the plane to the scene 5. Okay, let's move to another. In this scene, I'm going to duplicate the scene 4, duplicate collection, move it down, and name this one scene 6. Enable this camera. The armature here, actually we don't need it. Press Ctrl Tab, press A to select everything. Add the timeline, A to select everything, X delete the keyframe. Ctrl Tab again. Press Alt R, RX 90 degree. This camera, Alt R, Alt G. Then Shift A, curve, add a circle, S to scale it up. Select your camera, object constraint, follow path, click this eyedrop, click here. Do the same like we do before. Okay, at the front view, going to rotate like this. S to scale it down. I'm going to delete this plane. In this scene, I'm going to show up the logo here. Select your camera. Go to the object data property. Shift X here. Just move it over here. Select this one. Put it here. Press I, insert location. This one, rotate like this. Press N, Z rotation, right click, insert single keyframe. Then go to the frame 50. R to rotate, rotate like this. And this one, GX, put it here. Adjust here. Okay, just like this. Insert single keyframe, and this here, press I, insert keyframe. Let's see the animation. We will have this result. We don't need animation for this one. Delete the keyframe. Alt R, RX 90 degree. Let's put it down to 50 here. Let's adjust. Replace single keyframe. Yep, just like this. And go to the render preview. Let's adjust the light. Change pivot point to median point. Press RY, minus 90 degree. Scale it on the Z axis. Scale this down on the Y axis. Rotate. Let's hide this one for now. SY. Okay, something like this. Let's try to duplicate it. R to rotate. Okay, go to first frame. Okay, it's fine. Then Alt H. Bring back this light and just delete it. Shift A, light, area light, RX 90 degree, GY back here, rotate minus 90. Just a simple, let's move it like this, up and down. First frame, over here. Let's put it up here, offset the cam. Press N, Z location, insert single keyframe. Let's start it to the 50. Then at the end frame here, GZ, let's put it down over here. Right click, insert single keyframe. Let's see the animation. Okay, but I guess I'm going to move this far away. Okay, that's all for the scene 6. And the next scene, I'm going to select this, duplicate this mouse, duplicate collection, move this over here, and let's just rename it scene 7. Let's enable this one, the scene 1. Let's hide this. I'm going to use this one, Shift D, duplicate it, Press M, move it to scene 7. Disable the scene 1 and enable the scene 7. Press A to select everything, and let's just delete all of the keyframe. Press Alt R, rotate this one. Preset the rotation, this one, Alt R. Alt P, clear parent. GZ, let's move it up. Put it down. And this one, Alt R, Alt G. Press R, rotate 180. GZ, move it down here. Adjust the position. Okay. We have something like this. Then I'm going to scale this up. Shift Z, scale it without the Z axis. Something like this. Select this to empty. Click this, Ctrl P, Objective Transform. Then RX 90 degree. Okay, just like this. Set up your camera, just do the same like before. Make this one active. Let's change it to the solid view here. I'm going to move this down over here. Let's change to the material preview. Go to the first frame. Z rotation, right click, insert single keyframe. Go to the frame 10, plus 180. Right click, insert single keyframe. We have this result. Shift D, duplicate it to frame 15. Then move to the 20. Plus, let's just change here, 360. Right click, insert single keyframe. Shift D, duplicate it, put it here. We have this result. Go to first frame, Z location, right click, insert single keyframe. Go to the last frame. GZ, let's move this up like this. Right click, insert single keyframe. Click here, disable the Z rotation, press A and home, then press T, change it to linear. Okay. Then select this one of this, at the Y location, right click, insert single keyframe, go to the last frame. Let's move it up a little bit here. Right click, insert single keyframe. Then select this one, Y location, right click, insert single keyframe. G, move it back here. Let's move it up. Right click, insert single keyframe. Hit the spacebar. Okay, let's adjust here. Put it here. S to scale it down. Then I'm going to press Shift A, empty, add empty arrow, GX, let's put it here. Select your camera, object constraint, add object constraint, copy rotation. Let's minimize over here. Click this eyedrop and click your new empty. Mix here, replace, change it to before original. Then when we rotate this will happen. I'm going to rotate at the X rotation. So we will have this result. Just leave it like this. Let's see at the render preview. Shift A, add a light. Let's set up the light. Then let's try to move it. Okay. Let's put here. Let's increase the power. Put it here, and this one, let's hide. Put it down. Okay. Shift A mesh at a plane RX 90 degree. S to scale this up, rotate it, and put it here. That's all for this scene 7. Let's move this, put it here. Let's right click, duplicate it, duplicate collection. Let's hide the scene 7 and name this new one scene 8. Make this camera active one. Select this object, add the grab editor, Z location here. I'm going to disable it and press home. Click and drag like this, GX. Let's put it here. This one GX, put it here. Hit the spacebar. Okay. Then click and drag, Shift D, duplicate it, then move it over here. I'm going to press AGX, just something like this, and select the Bezier circle, S to scale it down. Select the camera. On the Shift X here, I'm going to adjust it a little bit. This one, this object, GZ, let's move it up. Okay, then press N, Z location, right click, replace single keyframe, and go to the last frame here. Z location here, right click, let's delete the single keyframe for now. Then check your camera again, adjust the X here. Okay, go to the last frame, GZ, let's move it up a little bit, just like this. Right click, insert single keyframe. Go to the first frame, select this to empty, press A to select everything at the timeline, and X delete the keyframe. Yep, that's all. Then go to the render preview, Shift A, light, area light, RX 90 degree, Shift Z, R to rotate here, put it here, S to scale this up, and change the power to 1000. Okay, that's all for the scene 8. Let's disable it, then right click, duplicate the collection, let's name this one scene 9. At the scene, press A to select everything, then at the timeline, X delete all of the keyframe. For the camera, I don't need this one, X just delete it, make this camera active, reset the rotation, this background, change pivot point 3D cursor, R to rotate it. Let's try to put it here. Let's put it back here a little bit. Change it to the solid view. Select this object at the top view, press R 90 degree. Okay. At the last frame, press GZ. Let's move it down like this. R to rotate here. Then press N, Z rotation, rotate it just a little bit like this. Right click, insert single keyframe. Z location, right click, insert single keyframe. Then go to the first frame, G, Y twice, put it here. Z location, right click, insert single keyframe, and Z rotation. Let's increase like this just a little bit. Right click, insert single keyframe. Let's hit the spacebar. We will have this result. Then at the grab editor, press home, expand here, disable the Z rotation, press home again. This keyframe, going to scale this up, R to rotate. And let's adjust here down a little bit. So we will have this result. Try to scale it again. Okay, this one is cool. We have this result. Then go to the last frame. Select these two objects, the mouse, GY twice. Let's put it up here. Select one of these, GY twice. Put it here. Y location, right click, insert single keyframe. This one also GY twice. Put here. Right click, insert single keyframe. Back to the frame 1. Select these two objects, GY twice. Let's put it down over here. Right click, insert single keyframe. And this one, right click, insert single keyframe at the Y location. Hit the spacebar. We got this result. Go to the last frame. select one of these, expand here, and press home. R to rotate here. S to scale this up, let's G, Y, put it down, hit the spacebar. We will get this, scale this way up more. Do the same with this one, press home, R to rotate, put it down, scale this up. We got this result. Okay, select your camera and Shift X here, let's make it 0. Go to render preview, set up the light. I wanted to animate this light also. Z location, right click, insert single keyframe. Then select the keyframe and put it on the 20 frame. At the last frame, GY, let's move it down just a little bit. Let's move it down till here. Then right click, insert keyframe. Okay, then adjust the light for our mouse here. Change pivot point 3D cursor. I'm going Shift D, duplicate it, R to rotate, and change this power to 200. Let's delete this one, and Shift D, duplicate it, R to rotate, GZ, move it down. Okay, this one is enough. That's all for the scene 9. And for the scene 10, I'm going to duplicate the scene 1 here, duplicate collection, move it down here. Let's name this scene 10. Make this camera active one. Let's hide this for now. This one, let's press Alt P, clear parent, then Alt R, R to rotate, 180, GX, put it here. Let's press A to select everything and X delete the keyframe. This object, at the first frame, let's parent these two objects. With this one, Ctrl P object keep transform, and rotate it like this. And we need to scale this down. Let's pause here like this. Select the camera, this one, the active one. Change pivot point 3D cursor, then Shift S cursor toward origin, R to rotate. This object, press N, X rotation, right click, insert single keyframe. Go to the last frame, press Alt R, right click, insert single keyframe. And this one, rotation here, press I, insert keyframe, G, let's put it on the first frame, then press Alt R, reset the rotation. I guess I'm going to add a keyframe to the location also, I, keyframe, then put it here, then Alt R again, G, Z, let's move it down a little bit, like this, location rotation, insert keyframe, and for this one, location rotation, insert keyframe, click and drag, put it back here, then press Alt R, insert keyframe, location rotation, hit the spacebar. I'm going to adjust the camera again, till here, and this background, going to rotate it. Okay, press N here, camera to view, going to zoom in, adjust this one. First frame, I guess this one is, let's just put it like this, I. Okay, just like this. Let's click and drag and select this keyframe, GX, put it on the 20, just here. Okay, then GY, put it here, right click, insert single keyframe, and move this to the first frame. I'm going to 20 frame, then GY, put it back here, right click, insert single keyframe, and this one also, GY, put it back here, right click, insert single keyframe, put it on the first frame, and GY, move it over here, right click, insert single keyframe. Let's adjust the camera just a little bit for the last one. Okay, I'm going like this, Alt H. Let's set up the light. Let's try to hide this one and Shift A, light, area light, RX 90 degree. GZ, put it up. Adjust the light, S to scale this up. Increase the power. I'm going to reduce the beam spread. And this light, at the material property, click like this and reduce the power. Let's make it 1. Scale this up. Try to render just one picture for now. Okay, we are done with the rendering. Go to the compositing. Enable this node. Shift Control. Put here Shift A, search for lens distortion. Put here, click and drag like this. Enable the fit, dispersion here, change it to 0.05. Distortion, I'm going to 0.01. Set your output. I'm only using PNG file. You can go like OpenEXR, but I'm just go with PNG. Enable the scene 1. Make sure the scene 1 here, we are using 60 frame and at the frame 30. Let's go to the layout. Let's just delete this white one, delete hierarchy. At the 30 frame, enable the cam 1, Ctrl B, mark cam 1 here, then move it to 31 frame, select the cam 2, then Ctrl B. That's for the scene 1. Set the output and name this one shoot 1. After you're done rendering the scene 1, disable it, enable the scene 2, and make this one camera active. Then let's delete all of this mark, then change it to 30 frame. Make this one active, set the output, change it to shoot 2. Then the other rest is the same one. Now your product animation is almost complete. In the next and the final part, I will show you how to put it all together using Blender Video Editor. I will show you how to put it all together, add sound effect and music using Blender Video Editor only. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to join the membership. See you on the next video.